So what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Volkswagen touareg, and today I will show you how you can remove this airbag module in a very easy way. Within 1 minute you can remove this airbag module. Okay, I will show you how. See, first of all you need to remove this steering cover. I already removed this. Okay, then this lock is inside, so you need one mirror like this, and mirror fix it like this. Okay, then you can see here, this is the lock inside. Okay, see, you need one minus screwdriver and press it like this, both side lock remove, same procedure. Remove. See, here came lock, one is here, one is there. See, this one. Okay, it's very easy.